This just in. Hollywood has made its move. After months of murmurs, Disney and Universal have officially sued AI image generator Midjourney for what they're calling a bottomless pit of plagiarism, according to Time. Translation: the bots might be creative, but they're also lifting Darth Vader's likeness without asking. It's the latest and loudest clash in the AI versus copyright showdown. But this one matters far beyond movie studios and legal offices. If you use AI tools in your business, or even just watch other people use them, this case has big implications. Let's break it down in plain English. Wait, so what did Midjourney do? Well, Midjourney is an AI tool that turns text prompts into images. You type something like Elsa from Frozen doing a TikTok dance, and out pops a picture that looks suspiciously close to Disney's Ice Queen. That's the problem. Disney and Universal claim the tool allows users to generate unauthorized images of copyrighted characters, from Marvel heroes to minions, with no licensing, no permission, and plenty of profit. Midjourney, for its part, has reportedly made over $300 million in the past year. Not bad for a company with fewer than 12 full-time staff. But here's the real fight: fair use versus free-for-all. At the heart of this lawsuit is a slippery legal concept called fair use. Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission. Think criticism, parody, or education. But AI companies have been arguing that training their models on copyrighted content also counts. Hollywood disagrees loudly. And they're not just saying Midjourney's tool resembles their characters, they're calling it piracy in a digital coat. And for once, they've got legal firepower and public sentiment on their side. But here's why this case matters to small business owners. No, Disney isn't coming for your Canva designs. But if you're using AI tools like image generators, copywriters, or video avatars, this lawsuit could signal a major shift. And here's why. Legal precedent is coming. If Disney wins, AI companies may have to retrain their tools using only licensed content. That could mean fewer generic AI-generated blog posts or images floating around, and more room for original creators to shine. And trust will matter more than ever. Customers are already skeptical of robot-written anything. In a post-lawsuit world, content that's clearly human, thoughtful, and aligned with your brand will stand out like never before. Ethical marketing is also now a business decision. This case isn't just legal, it's moral. If you're unsure where you stand, check out my latest video on AI ethics and small business marketing. Spoiler, there are no easy answers, but asking better questions is a start. So, what do we do now? You don't need a lawyer on speed dial. You just need a bit of clarity. You don't need a lawyer on speed dial. You just need a bit of clarity. First, know where your tools get their data. Using ChatGPT or Midjourney? Read the terms. Some tools are trained on licensed content, others not so much. Number 2, avoid prompt mimicry. Don't ask AI to write like Seth Godin or draw in the style of Moana. That's asking for trouble. And it's creatively lazy anyway. And number 3, lead with originality. As a StoryBrand certified guide and duct tape marketing strategist, I can tell you this: no amount of automation can replace clear, human-centered messaging. AI might save time, but trust builds businesses. Want to future-proof your brand? Start with a message that's uniquely yours. Grab my free 5-minute marketing fix to create a one-liner that builds trust and attracts the right audience. No AI copycat required. The times, they are a-changing. Whether this lawsuit succeeds or not, it marks a turning point. AI companies have been operating like teenagers with new cars. Fast, reckless, and convinced they're invincible. Hollywood just hit the brakes. For small businesses, the takeaway is simple. If you want to stand out in a world of mass-generated content, you don't need more robots. You need a message that sticks. Download my free 5-minute marketing fix and make sure your marketing is worth copying for the right reasons. The link is in the description below, or you can go to strategicmarketingtribe.com/fix. And make sure your marketing is worth copying for the right reasons. But what about you? Would you stop using a tool if you knew it was trained on stolen work? Let me know in the comments. I'm Vicky Sidler from the Strategic Marketing Tribe, and I post helpful news updates for small businesses every day.